Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram's professional dashboard, your one-stop hub for tracking insights, managing tools, and growing your account. And here's how to use it. First, make sure that your Instagram account is set to creator or business account. Then go to your profile and you'll see a professional dashboard right at the top and tap on it. Then inside, you'll find an account insights. You can check reach, engagement, and follower growth. And for the tools to grow, it can boost the post, set up subscription, the branded content, and more. And for the educational resources, the Instagram tips and guides just for creators and businesses. Use it regularly to review what's working and adjust your strategy to grow faster. And that's how to use the Instagram's professional dashboard to manage and grow your content. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more growth tips. Thanks for watching.